today we're comparing two of the best dishwasher brands, Bosch versus Miele. You know, everyone asks, which one's better? But the answer is not so simple. In this video, we'll talk about the pros and cons of each brand along with their reliability. Now, before we get into the big differences, let's talk about what Bosch and Miele share. First off, both offer seamless panel-ready models. They sit flush with your cabinets and won't protrude to look like a dishwasher with a panel stuck on it like some others. Both have advanced leak protection. Miele uses a double insulated tub, while Bosch offers its aqua stop, except on their less expensive models. So both dishwashers will shut down if it detects a leak. Huge peace of mind, especially in condos. Both Bosch and Miele have stainless steel tub with a variety of handle styles and options. In their competitive dishwashers over $1,000, they both meet or beat quietness standards of 44 decibels. All right, the differences. First up, reliability. We've gotten 7 years of service data, and honestly, they're both solid performers. You'll see from our numbers that while they've both been consistently improving in recent years, Miele did see a bit of a spike back in 2019 when they had a bit of a frozen motor issue that popped up. While some other brands may have some slightly lower service rates in some years, Miele and Bosch are among the most reliable brands consistently. Let's move on to their drying systems. Miele's clean air system is all about natural air circulation. They have a port to allow cooler air into the dishwasher. The cooler air mixes with the hot, steamier air and is dissipated as water. Also, the door opens automatically to allow steam and heat to leave the dishwasher, further eliminating any moisture left over from the wash. Bosch has two main drying systems, depending on which model you buy. Their $1,000 to $1,199 models have AutoAir, which is similar to Miele with the door opening automatically. Then there's CrystalDry at $1,300 to $1,500. It uses zeolite, a volcanic mineral, to absorb moisture and generate heat. CrystalDry dries plastics the best according to our tests. The Bosch dishwashers with zeolite are comparable to the entry-level Miele's, so Bosch is a bit better for drying. Both have adjustable middle racks and third racks for silverware, but Miele is better with tines that lock silverware in place during the wash so it won't scratch. Miele's bottom rack is more flexible than Bosch's, especially as you move up in price. You'll see the orange tabs as they make it easy to spot what moves and folds. Miele's got a full top wash-on for complete coverage, where Bosch only has a sprinkler head. The AutoDose automatic detergent dispenser in Miele's G7000 series automatically releases detergent at the right time and holds up to 20 loads with a single power disc. At first, automatic dispensing might not seem like a big deal until you open your dishwasher and find a half-dissolved pod stuck to a spoon. AutoDose ensures detergent is evenly distributed, delivering consistently clean dishes. Many users say it produces the best wash results they've ever had. However, Bosch has the power control spray arm with precision wash system, which lets you customize the spray intensity so you can wash fine china and pots and pans safely and throughout in the same wash. I like the Bosch power control if you use it, but Miele is a better system overall. So which one should you buy? First, both are excellent. Miele balances washing and drying, has the best rack, and that AutoDose detergent dispenser is not a gimmick. It definitely works. Plus, they're gentle on your delicate dishes. Bosch, they've reimagined drying with CrystalDry and offer more wash flexibility with power control. The performance difference isn't huge, however the price gap can be. Miele offers $200 rebates, while Bosch is promotional at times as well. So it depends on when you buy your dishwasher, because price could be a deciding factor between these two very good dishwashers. And lastly, check local service. Both are reliable, but service varies widely depending on where you live. If you want to see how Bosch compares to KitchenAid dishwashers, click this video, and thanks for watching.